Madison's auto shops are revving up with a secret weapon: AI marketing. Imagine a super smart engine that not only fixes cars, but drives customers straight to your door. Sounds wild, right? Here's the shocker. AI predicts exactly what car owners want before they even know it. America's Best Shops marketing agency is turning old-school garages into futuristic hubs. Picture this: personalized ads popping up instantly on your phone, tailored offers and lightning-fast responses, like having a marketing genius in your pocket. But wait, it gets better. This isn't just about tech, it's about trust. Local businesses are connecting deeper with their communities, building loyalty one click at a time. In Madison, AI marketing is changing the game from under the hood to over the top. So are car shops just fixing cars, or are they crafting experiences? And here's the twist. This AI revolution, it's just getting started. What if your favorite garage started using AI? Would you notice? Would you care? Jump into the future and watch how AI drives Madison's automotive world. What do you think? Game changer or just hype? Drop your thoughts below.